Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to enable the key F8 in Windows Server 2016 to 2019 in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu or search bar and type character map and hit enter, and open it up the start menu and type cmd or command prompt, right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, select yes. And copy and paste the comments in video description, or type this comment BCDEdit space / set space and search this character, select and copy, right click on the top, edit, paste, and type bootmgr and copy this symbol, select and copy, go to the top, edit and paste. And space display boot menu entry and select yes. BCDEdit space / set space special symbol bootmgr special symbol inverted space display boot menu space yes and hit enter, and retype this section and select the second step is BCDEdit / set special symbol and set your timeout. For example, in this video I select 10 seconds and type 5, 8, 10, 7, whatever. The command is BCDEdit space / set special symbol bootmgr special symbol space timeout, and select your time and hit enter. The operation complete successfully. To apply the change, restart your computer, open it up, select power off button and select restart. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.